Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can fix video generation is currently unavailable for new accounts on Sora AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you're probably seeing this message as access to Sora's video generation model is restricted at this point in time. So new OpenAI accounts or accounts without prior access do not yet have permissions to use this feature. This is likely part of the OpenAI's gradual rollout to test and monitor the system's performance, safety, and usage. So I'm just over here at this community post inside of OpenAI. And as it states here, video generation is temporarily disabled for new accounts. And he also states here, and this is happening to a lot of people, I recently subscribed primarily because I was interested in accessing the Sora video generation feature. However, after completing the payment, I was surprised and disappointed to see a message stating video generation is temporarily disabled for new accounts. So what we can do, so simply just wait for access. So OpenAI may expand access over time. So keep checking the official OpenAI blog or product updates for announcements, and also check if there's a waitlist or early access form for Sora via OpenAI's website or press releases. And if you don't want to wait for this problem to be fixed, you can always try use other tools. So there's a few good ones out there. One of them's called Picker Labs, another one's Runway ML Gen 2. We've also got Kaba, and the last one here is synthesia.io. So these are some good alternatives.